Oh, no battery. All right, let's put you down right over here. And I think that should be good. Wow. Woo, here we go. Oh man, I'm going fast. Looks so good though. Ooh, look at that shot. Ah, that's so pretty. This is like one of my favorite places to film. It's so pretty. Okay, calm down. So this video is sponsored by EcoFlow because we are gonna check out the EcoFlow TRAIL 200. This thing is pretty awesome, especially if you're a photographer, a filmmaker who travels quite a lot, who goes camping, who goes hiking, or even just goes out to parks to shoot a couple of things. Like, this thing can power so many devices and it's really easy to use. Check it out. I'm gonna bring up all my devices and show you what I can charge. Oh, what else did I bring? Oh, yes, it can even charge a laptop. Oh, hold on, shh, hold on. I thought I heard something. Oh, no, that was a mosquito. All right, so let's give you a quick little tour. So here is the front of the EcoFlow TRAIL 200. You see the USB-C ports, you see the USB-A ports. You have a button on the top over here, and if you press it, you can actually see all the information about the EcoFlow TRAIL 200, from how much power is left, the charge time, and how much power you are outputting to your devices. And what's cool is that if you press this button twice, you'll go into low power mode. That way, you can conserve the power if you're camping for a long time. Now, while you can use all the USB ports to charge your devices, to charge the actual power station itself, you have to use the USB-C port. Now, charging the EcoFlow TRAIL 200 is super easy. Just use one of the USB-C ports right over here. I got my charger on the wall. I'm gonna plug in a USB-C cable. And now you'll see all the information while you're charging, from how much time is left to charge, the input power, the output power. And the really cool thing is that you can actually speed up the charge time with a secondary charger and using the other USB-C port. And then you have this little handle to help you carry the EcoFlow TRAIL 200 if you are hiking up a trail or if you're going to your campsite. You can also use this handle to hang it up in your tent or even hang it up on your tripod and supply long-term power to your camera, to your monitor, if you're filming an interview outdoors or something. Small things in life. And there's vents all around the EcoFlow TRAIL 200, which is great because you don't want this thing to overheat. And that's pretty much it. A very simple power station, but powerful and really well designed. Now, I don't go camping or hiking that often, but I like having the option of having some sort of power station just to supply power and charge my phones, my cameras, my laptops for the times that I do go camping and hiking. Like for me, just knowing that I have some sort of power supply, like just puts me at ease. But I do film outside quite often, and I think it's a really good idea to have some sort of power station to charge your camera, your drone, your gimbal, your laptop if you are filming on the field. Yes, of course, bring extra batteries for those things, but you never know. What if you forget a battery at home, which happens to me quite a lot. But as a filmmaker and photographer who kind of just goes everywhere, just having this in my car at the ready when I need power just puts me at ease. Because nothing ruins your shoot more than when your camera dies or when your drone dies. It's just good to have some sort of power supply. Also, this thing is tough. Look, I could drop it. Oh, that's my drone. Oh no, okay, it nearly crushed my drone. But the EcoFlow TRAIL 200 is pretty robust. Like you could drop it and it's fine. Look. Hold on, let's bring you out over here so you can see the drop. All right, you seeing this? All right, here we go. I'm like 5'7". Look. I'm gonna drop it again. Push the button. It's fine. It's fine. This is good. This is good for someone like me. If you're accident prone and you're a photographer and filmmaker, this is for you, you dummies. Oh no, I chipped a prop. Serves me right for doing something dumb. Okay, so let me show you that tripod scenario. So I have the Lumix S1 Mark II over here on my tripod. I got the EcoFlow TRAIL 200 right over there hanging on. And because it weighs 4 pounds, it adds a nice weight to stabilize the tripod, so that's really cool. But look, I got the USB-C cable running up all the way to the camera. I wish I had my monitor, but you can have your monitor over here, you can have a little light over here. You can power all those things through one power station. Like, that is so cool. So practically, as a filmmaker, as a photographer, like This is a great little setup if you want to supply power when you're out in the field. And this is a nice little bonus that this acts as a stabilizer because it does weigh 4 pounds. Like that's great. And this isn't like the strongest tripod either. So the fact that I have this just puts me at ease. That's nice. Oh, I just realized. So when I shot the Eclipse last year, I realized that my tripod wasn't sturdy enough. And I kind of wish I had brought weights to like hold it down so that I can, you know, take pictures of the sun. This would have been so great because not only does it act as a stabilizer, right, adds some weight to it, but it would have provided power to my camera as I was shooting the Eclipse. Idea for next time. Okay, so while I'm flying the drone, some pros and cons. Pros, I love the handle of the EcoFlow TRAIL 200. I know it's like a practical, small reason to love something, but because it's so practical, it just makes it easy to carry a power station like that when you are going camping, hiking, or even just going to a place like this to shoot some drone shots. The second thing that I love about the EcoFlow TRAIL 200 is the low power mode. Like by simply pressing the top button twice to go into low power mode to conserve some power in the TRAIL 200, such a good idea. Also, I love how easy it is to use. Just charge it when it needs to be charged, plug whatever device you want to, carry it with the handle, and go camping, go hiking, do whatever. Oh my gosh, I almost crashed into a tree. And the last thing that I love about the EcoFlow TRAIL 200 is that it's rough. You could drop it and it's fine. I am so accident prone. I nearly crashed into a tree. And so having a durable power station that you can take hiking or camping is just so cool. So really well designed. Good job, EcoFlow. Now, some things I'm not a big fan of. The charging isn't as quick as I'd like for it to be. Like, I appreciate that it's a safe charge, and I do appreciate that you can plug in a secondary charger to speed up the charging time. It's just that it does take a while. Not gonna lie. Also, I wish this thing had Bluetooth compatibility. Like, it'd be nice to see the status of the power station with the app. Like, EcoFlow has a variety of products where you can do that, not with the TRAIL 200. But other than that, that's pretty much it. It's a pretty solid product. Well, if you want to check out the EcoFlow TRAIL 200, the links will be in the video description down below. I gotta go find my drone now and land it because, yeah, I don't know where it is. Thanks for watching. Bye.